Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indahar Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. This is July 1st. We're halfway through the year. Unbelievable. So it's been a good year for real estate. We've had a tremendous amount of uptick of activity due to the great stock market, jobs rebound here, and we've had about a 16% increase since last year in home values. So it's been a great time for sellers to take advantage of that. So let me share with you open house activity that I just had this weekend at 379 Laguna Drive in Milpitas. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a huge 640 square foot screen room in the back that's really cool. Remodeled kitchen. Price point is $1,698,888. And we brought in 45 families through over the weekend. So lots of activity on that one. Offers are due this Wednesday. And I hope to share some good news with you next week on what the value for that one went, or hopefully it'll go pending soon. The sellers will be excited. So then coming up this weekend, I have 412 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas open Saturday, Sunday from 2 to 4. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Huge lot, 10,000 square foot lot. So it's ideal for an ADU or, whatever use you might want to have. It's got a full basketball court in the back. It's a really cool backyard, and it's very private. It's backed up to the Santa Clara Valley Water District, so there's no homes behind this home. And the price point on that is $1,698,888. Look for that this week. It's going live with photos here real soon. And then following weekend after that, I've got 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas that'll be open one day, Sunday, July 14th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. That's the long-awaited Hillcrest home in Milpitas near the Senate Elementary School. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2150 square foot home. It's got a bedroom and bathroom downstairs. Everything has been painted freshly in and out. Brand new landscaping in the front and the back. All new laminate, high-grade laminate flooring. New carpet in the bedrooms. And that's being cleaned today. Be staged in a few days, and that will be going live at the end of this week with photos. So look for that one too. That's going to be a great property. Then the following weekend, I've already got that one booked. It's on July 20th. Saturday from 2 to 4 is 1886 Shenandoah Avenue in Milpitas. It's a Parktown area home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,100 square feet. Could use some updating, but that's a long time owner there. So it's been well maintained. They're moving out this week. They're going to assisted living to help them in their elderly years. So we're putting that on the market at $1,498,888. That will be available to show in about a couple weeks, and then the open house weekend on that. And then coming soon, I have a duplex at 1352-1358 Chupon Drive in Milpitas. It's priced at $2,498,888. They're 2 standalone units. There's, of course, a common wall that make it a duplex, but it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath on each side of the duplex, 2-car garages, individual yards. The owner's suite is completely updated and remodeled. So what we're looking to do is when the tenants move out in a couple weeks, we're going to get that prepped and staged and then put that on MLS where that's available to show for agents. The other side is still rented, and I'm probably going to do an open house too for an activity level on that one. But again, $2,498,888 is probably a good price because you divide that up into 2 units. That's about $1,250 for each unit. When individually, if they were on the market, would be at about 1.5 to 1.6 million. So that's a good property for somebody to live in, rent the other side, or for 2 families to live in. And then also coming soon is 2221 Shiloh Avenue in Milpitas. That's in Parktown. It's a tri-level home, 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath. It actually has a bedroom and half bath downstairs. It's a step-down family room, long-time original owner near the foothills of Milpitas off Piedmont Road. Beautiful location. We're getting that prepped and ready to go probably in a couple weeks, 2-3 weeks. The price point on that is $1,988,888. I can give you some more details about that soon when I get an open house posting for that one. And then I'm real excited about my last listing to tell you, 395 Monmouth Drive in Milpitas. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,154 square feet. It needs updating. This is a great property to go in and freshen it up and make it just the way you want to, or for an investor. Nice large lot. The price point on that one is only $1,198,888. So that one should fly off the shelf really soon. I'll be posting an open house on that one as soon as the current owners move out and I get that one ready. So that's about 2 to 3 weeks away. So that's about it. We're busy. It's a busy time of year. Market's good. Not too busy for you. If you want to give me a call, please call me at 408-945-8988. I have my team ready. I have my transaction coordinator ready, my stagers ready, my contractors ready, my photographers ready, and our team is here to deliver results for you. So please call. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.